Have you ever wondered when your digital assistant reads text from your screen? On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a setting that can flash the edge of your screen whenever your digital assistant accesses on-screen text. This gives you a clear visual signal so you know when the assistant is analyzing what's on your screen. Here's how to enable it. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find App. Tap Apps. Tap Choose Default App. Tap Digital Assistant App. Here, make sure Analyze on-screen text option is enabled first, and then turn on Flash Screen. When this option is on, the edge of your screen will briefly flash whenever your digital assistant analyzes text shown on your display. For example, if you activate the assistant while viewing a web page or message, your phone may analyze the text to provide relevant information or suggestion, and the screen edge will flash to notify you. And that's how to enable flash screen for digital assistant access on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's a helpful visual indicator that lets you know when your assistant is interacting with content on your screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.